Hi guys, welcome to another crochet tutorial with me, Laura, and a really quick and easy crochet tutorial today. I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and quick mini heart. So sorry I haven't posted for a while. I've been super busy with, if you've been following me on Instagram, then you'll know I've been busy putting together some very exciting hampers. If you want to check that out, then go to happyberry.co.uk/hampers. Completely sold out for spring, so I've been busy putting those together. So I apologise I haven't been on YouTube as much. I'm actually going to be off YouTube for the whole of March as well, so I just wanted to release a couple of little quick projects for you to enjoy. It's because I'm away. I'm off to Japan for a month, so you can look forward to some Japanese inspired crochet patterns coming soon. Do follow me on Instagram because I'm going to be off YouTube for March because I won't have editing software and my camera with me, but I will have Instagram with me, so do follow me on Instagram, where I will try and release some little video tutorials over there, and because they'll be easy to upload, and also I'll still be uploading some written patterns as well to my website, so do keep an eye out for that. But anyway, let's get on with this little mini heart. Okay, so I'm using a DK light worsted weight yarn, so the yarn weight of a 3, and with that I'm using a 3.5mm E4 crochet hook. But you can use any yarn that you like and any hook size that's suitable for the yarn you're using. So it's a really good yarn scrap project using up those scraps. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to do a little slip knot to begin. A little slip knot, and we're going to chain 4. So chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's chain 4, and then into that first chain that you made we're going to do 3 double crochets. So in UK terminology that's going to be a treble. So we're going to yarn over, put your hook into that first chain, do a double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, so double crochet in that first chain. You do another 2 of those, so go back into the first chain, do another double crochet, and we're going to go back into the chain again and do another double crochet. Okay, so you've got 3 double crochet in there. Then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to slip stitch into that first chain hole as well. Do a little slip stitch. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do 3 double crochet in that first chain hole again. So it should be a bit easier to see now, it's a bit bigger. So 1, 2, and another one, 3. So 3 double crochet in there again. Then what we're going to do is we're going to find our chains we did at the beginning. So there's our first double crochet stitch that we did. Just to the right of that is the top of your chains. So in that top chain we're going to slip stitch. Do a little slip stitch, and there we go. There's our little heart. So we can cut our yarn and just pull that through, and there is your mini little heart. And the hole in the middle you can just bring in by pulling on these yarns. You can also sew it closed if it really bothers you. And there we go, there is our tiny mini little heart. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I hope you managed to follow along, and these are great for adding to gifts and presents, really quick and easy. And I'm sorry I didn't release it before Valentine's Day, I really ran out of time, but hopefully you still enjoy it as a quick project. And I will see you soon for some more crochet fun. Thanks for watching guys, bye!